Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix YAPYAP game crashing, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, pressing black screen or other issues on PC. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now check if you can play the game. If not, next solution is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, I have already provided the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste, and after that update your graphics card from there and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage and now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If it doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and then move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewalls. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app. Now click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application. After that, here you have to select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next solution is to verify integrity of game files. So go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now check if the game is opening or not. If not, you are suggested to check if the Windows need any kind of update. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and wait for some time. Now after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in a browser. So go to the browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once the Visual C++ files is downloaded, you have to open it. Once you open it, you will get repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. After you get setup successful message, close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, you are suggested to disable in-game overlays. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable it, now launch the game and check. If not, yes, the next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now after that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, you have to select it on the arrow icon, click on it and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after selecting high performance, now launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If everything fails, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC After that, restart your PC once your PC restarts, launch Steam and reinstall YAPYAP game once again, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's opening now or not. So using these methods you can easily resolve YAPYAP game stuck on loading screen, not launching, not opening, crashing, black screen, lagging or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.